You're driving down the road and suddenly this little yellow light pops up on your dashboard, the ABS light. Don't panic. It doesn't mean your brakes are gone, but it does mean something's wrong with your anti-lock braking system. In this video, I'll explain what the ABS light means, what causes it, and how you can diagnose and fix it yourself step by step. ABS stands for anti-lock braking system. It prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking, especially on slippery roads. When ABS kicks in, you might feel a pulsing in your brake pedal. That's the system rapidly applying and releasing brake pressure to help you maintain control. Without ABS, your car could skid, lose steering control, and take longer to stop. Now, let's talk about the most common reasons why your ABS light might come on. 1. Faulty wheel speed sensor. Each wheel has a sensor that monitors speed. If one fails or gets dirty, the ABS system can't read properly. 2. Damaged wiring or loose connectors. Road debris, rust, or bad connections can interrupt sensor signals. 3. Low brake fluid. The ABS relies on hydraulic pressure. If the fluid is low or the sensor inside the reservoir detects an issue, the ABS light turns on. 4. Blown ABS fuse or relay. Simple electrical issue, but easily overlooked. And last, 5. Bad ABS module or pump. Less common, but expensive. It's the brain of the ABS system. Alright, let's move on to diagnosis. Here's how to find out what's really causing that ABS light. Step 1. Plug in an OBD2 scanner that supports ABS codes. Step 2. Read the trouble code. It might say something like right rear wheel speed sensor circuit fault that tells you exactly where to look. Step 3. Visually inspect the wheel speed sensors and wiring. Look for dirt, corrosion, or broken wires near the wheel hubs. Step 4. Check your brake fluid level under the hood. Top it up if it's low. Step 5. If needed, check your fuse box for an ABS fuse or relay and replace it if blown. Once you've found the issue, fixing it might be easier than you think. Fix 1. If it's a dirty sensor, clean it with brake cleaner and reinstall it. Fix 2. If the sensor is dead, replace it. Most sensors are $20-50 each and easy to change with basic tools. Fix 3. If you had low brake fluid, refill it and check for any leaks around brake lines or calipers. Fix 4. If it was a fuse, replace it with one of the same rating. Fix 5. After fixing, clear the ABS code using your scanner and test drive. The light should stay off if the issue is resolved. After the repair, take your car for a short test drive. Make a few gentle stops to ensure everything feels normal. The ABS light should stay off. If it comes back on, re-scan for codes. There may be more than one issue. Remember, even if the ABS light is on, your regular brakes still work, but you won't have anti-lock protection, so drive carefully until it's fixed. Here are a few pro tips to keep your ABS system healthy. Keep your wheel areas clean from mud and rust. Change brake fluid every 2-3 years. Avoid ignoring ABS lights. Small issues can lead to costly module failures later. Use a scanner every few months to check for hidden ABS codes. So now you know exactly what the ABS light means and how to fix it like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more car repair tips every week. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and keep your brakes in top shape.